Give your sewing machine a break and turn it off. We will not be needing it for this project. Do you remember this quilt and this template? If you don't, please go check out the video. And let's get started, and I am going to show you how to make one for yourself. These are the things that we are going to need for our project. So we need a piece of foam board, we need a ruler, and I have a piece of fiberfill there. That is the size that I want it. Then we have 2 more templates, and we have our cutting blade and mat. And we have our sewing machine. Ha ha ha. We won't be needing that. So we need to turn it off. Okay, we don't want to use this side here because it has, let me turn you just a little bit to make sure you can see it. This right here corner is messed up. So we don't want it. So we're going to turn it over and we're going to turn this away so that we can have it. Now, the fiberfill is this size right here. And this is the size that I want. And we have the bigger one, which is the one we're going to use. So we're going to stick it down here in the corner, like this. Then we're going to give her a whack this way. And this way. Therefore, we've got that. Now then, we want to take and get that one out of the way. Now we have our little one. Now we want to take and put this in the middle, and we want to center everything up, which it all should be 1.5 inches around. All the way around. And it is. Now we want to cut this out. Now we want to take and turn it over. Now you can see the lines on it. Let's see if you can. No, you can't. But we have a line here. And if you pop it just a little bit, can you see it now? And then on this side. And then this side. Now we don't want to pop it out right now. We want to cut it out. So now, let's stick our blade in here. Right in there. And we can take it up and trim it. And trim it. And we're going to do that all the way around. And if you use a dull blade on this, so you don't mess up a good blade, because this will dull your blade. That is why I am using this one, because it's a dull blade. Now, you can pop it out. And make sure you don't tear it. You want to cut it. Somewhere it's hanging on. There it goes. There we go. Now then, it is the same size as this one. And it will fit our fiberfill. So now we need to get busy and we need to make a quilt for this. Okay, let's make us another one. Okay, so I want one for this one. This right here is the one we used for this one. So let's make one for this one. So we're going to need the bigger one to do that. So we're going to do it all over again. And this is just so that you can see you can make them different sizes. There we go. And we'll cut that bad baby out of there. Don't want to go in there. Oh, look, we got a starting point right here. Let's go with it. There we go. Boy, that does help. See if we can get it in there. Uh-oh. For some reason, it wants to go up. There we go. There we go. We got her out. So we'll set that aside. And we're going to do the same thing with this one. 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. Boy, we cannot get any better. So let's just hack it down. Oh, uh-oh. I moved it. So, there we go. We are doing good. Now we got 2 different sizes that you know of. Come on. We want it down in there. Oh, yeah. We're doing good, doing good. Yeah. Here we go. Don't want to cut. Uh-oh, corner's not even cut. Okay. There we go. We got this one now too. So we are doing good on it. Okay. So, let me show you how many that I actually have. You remember this one? And then I have this one. Now I have this one. And I have this one. Now I know these two worked because I have had these for a while now. And I have used them. And I've used them on my blankets. So, here we go. Now we're going to use this one in our next project. So we're going to set it aside and put these aside. And we are going to get ready to make another quilt.